This is one of my #1 favorite spots to go fishing. I got all my rods in there set up with lures that I painted myself. They're all custom lures painted by me. I did this one last night. Hold on. I'll bring it to you. Something different. What the hell, why not? Oh, I scratched it already. Look at that. Banging around in there, screwing around. But it's alright. It's just a demo. Here, I'll show you the other side since I scratched that side. Yeah, painted it last night. Something different. I gotta check the action of it and see how she works. Alright, let's give this bad girl a whirl here. Let me check the drag. Oh boy, way loose. I don't want to lose it, but I don't want to bring it right down to the bottom either. Oh, there's a whole bunch of bass just swam right by me. And of course I threw it way too far. Got one. Just like that. Just like that. Gee, first cast. Holy cow. First cast on a brand new painted lure that I painted last night. Whoops, sorry guys. How is that for cool? Oh yeah, I think it could go. Come on. There we go. How did you do that? Oh, I see. Little fatty. First cast. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very cool. I don't know how much of this I'm getting in the camera, hopefully all right. But, yeah. Cool. Off she goes. There we go. Well, let's keep going. Can't give up on it yet because they hit it right away. So I'm not giving up on it yet. This might be the DNR, which is okay. We're legal. I actually talked to him this morning right here. Yep, it's him. Same dude, I believe. No, I was just saying, I was like, oh, they came and got me this morning. Well, actually, I caught one bass. It was pretty decent. First cast.
First cast, huh?
My custom lures, I make my own.
Oh.
Yeah, sure. I got a whole box full. I'll show you here in a second. I know why you're here. Here, let me turn this off. That was awesome. I love it when the DNR stops because I'm always legal and I like to just chat with them. And she was really into my custom lures. And I really like to show them off. She couldn't believe this one. Oh my God, that is beautiful. But I got others in that case. That'll just blow you away. Alright. This is something you don't see me do a lot. And that's break out a spinning reel. Rod reel combo. Hold on, let me get it untwisted. This is one of my own lures that I painted. Transparent, kinda. We're gonna give it a shot. Keep my drag here. The wind's a little too uncooperative for me to put that on my baitcaster. Sometimes the wind's behind me, sometimes it's next to me. Yeah. But we're gonna try. Better tighten that up just a tad. But we're gonna try it right through here. lot of spawning bass out there. I've been watching them hanging around the shoreline here. Thank you. This is about the size of them right here. You're gonna get a lot of these. This is what's been hitting it. I didn't grab my little pliers, but let me grab this real quick before he gets hurt. Oh, there we go. Yeah, he's not giant, but lately it's the average that's been coming in and out of here. But we got one. The rod away anyway. And while I was in there, I broke this out, and I thought, well, let's throw this a few times and try it out. This will finish off our day of trying custom lures out. This one I actually did, I was going to say last night, but nope, the night before. Or the day before. Yeah. I did 2 of those actually. But we're going to try it right now to see what happens. There's just too many bass swimming around and nothing was hitting the cast nice. Now this is a floater, so I'm going to let it sit for a second. But nothing was hitting the drop shot with minnow at all. I mean, something was hitting it because they were freaking coming back with no minnow on them. But I don't know what. It takes a while to come up. That's got really cool color in the water. Holy cow. Yeah, we had one little one. I saw it run right up at it and took a shot at it. I saw him. We'll keep trying. I might have 2 small hooks on this one. I think, there he is. Oh, it came off. Came off right here. Wouldn't you know it? Dang it. But he hit it. Hit it good. There's a pretty little thing, isn't it? Something different. Not everybody has one of them. Complete custom. I got 2 of them. Sprayed them both at the same time. Side by side. Psh, psh. Easy cheesy. About 2 hours completely done. Clear coat and all. Because I just spray can those. Just a quick coat, just so it wouldn't get all scratched up in the tackle box. I could care less what the fish do to it. They're going to destroy it no matter what kind of clear coat I put on it. I can put on a durable one, but it just eventually it's going to do the same thing. I paint them to fish. I can always repaint it. I still have all the tools to do it. It's not like I threw them all away after I painted this one. A lot of these are my own personal prototype kind of thing. And hoping to have video backup that they catch fish. That's all. Like that. We got them. We actually got one out of the water too. Oh, Jesus. Come on now. There it is. On my own custom bait. Yeah, buddy. Hold on a second. There we go. Click the bail open. So I don't have to deal with the rod. I knew I didn't have them by much. But enough. I'm getting my pliers out here. Hold on. I like the 4 snips just a little bit better. Oh, you almost put that into my fingers, dude. I'm sure that hurt. Hey, come on now. Alright, let me get a hold of you. Stop it. Oh, you're going to make it worse. There we go. Okay, I got him now. Let me get it out of him. Yeah. The average size in there right now for some reason. I don't know, maybe they stocked them. Because they're all right around that size. And there was a big freeze out here for a while. That water is still a little chilly. Be free, buddy. Alright. One more. Right down the middle. And we're going to call it. We'll let that one sit for just a little longer. And we'll play this one a little bit slower. See what happens. Pick up the slack here. Really slow. Lower you guys just a little. I think if anything's going to happen, it's going to happen right up here. This is what I'm doing. I'm hearing things starting to surface. Go too slow, it stays way too high up toward the top of the water. And I'm not sure it's being seen, but okay, that's it. See ya.